So today I am cooking this recipe called Smoky Meatball Pasta Bake by My Fussy Eater. Look at that, it looks great. It's off of the website kitchensanctuary.com. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. Listen to that sizzle. Straight out of the oven. Ready for meal prep. So by double batching this recipe, I was able to get extra meatballs left over. So I'm going to use these in my kids' lunches. And it also was extra for my kids that were helping out. They like to nibble as we go. The other thing I did was when I was doing the meatballs, I cooked up some extra ground beef and seasoned it with taco seasoning so that Taco Tuesday, the meat's already done, ready to go. So this is the taco meat that I cooked up for this week. And then this is, I double batched it so that when I'm gone next week to North Carolina, my husband is able to quickly have dinner ready during the week when he gets home.